That slot 42. What we're going to do here now. What are you going to do? We're going to get $2,000 bid. Let's get it going, guys. Here, 500. I give it half 500 to you, 500 to you, 500. All right, you'll in and all down. I'm going to give you 500. Give it half 3. Here down 3. What's that? 3 1/4 on mine. 3 1/2, 4. 4 down 5. On the 4, not 5. On the 4, not 5. On the 400 here, 500 here, 750. 500 here, 600. Where now? That 500 here, 600. 700. Yeah, see? 700. 800. 800, 700 here now. 800 online. You're out at 8. At $800 bid. Do you want to buy it at an $800 bid? $800. Dollar down now. $800 in the 750 here. 800, 600 here. Now out. 850, sir. Now 900. 900. Now 1,000. At $1,000. Even $900. Now $1,000. Now 1,100, Adam. 1,100. 1,100. It's in the crowd. 1,100 online. 1,100 online, and it does run. Give me 1,100 online. What's that? Yes, 1,100. Now 1,200. Now 1,300. 1,300. Then 1,200 here. 1,300. Then 1,200 here. 1,300. Then 1,200 here. 13. 1,300. Then 1,200 here. 13. Now 14. 14. 15. 16. 1,600 here. 17. 17, Adam. 1,600 here. 1,700 here. 1,600 here. 1,700. 1,700. 16 here, it's on here. Oh, 1,700, 16, 17. One more time, guys. 1,800. 1,800. He's weakening. Give me 1,800. 1,800 here, 1,700 here, 18. All right, y'all in, no down. Internet's in. Give me 1,800. 1,750, 1,800. 1,800. 1,800. 1,700. 1,700. Could be 18. 18 here, 1,700 and 50 here. 18. What are you gonna do here? Give me 18 online. Give her a second. 1,800. 1,900. 1,900. It's all done. Sold. 1,800 online. There we go.
Well, guys, just bought a new Cat D4 Dozer in an auction. It's like 1,200 miles away. It's up in Garrison, North Dakota. I live in northeast Texas, so it's a little over a 20-hour drive up there to pick it up. I paid more than what I really wanted to, just with having to go pick it up, the drive and the fuel and everything, the way that the fuel prices are right now. But it needs a paint job. It's rough shape paint-wise, but it's clean as far as, like, there's no dents or dings in it. Pretty straight body on it, a lot of good parts. They said that the motor was rebuilt in the 80s, and it probably doesn't have 50 hours on it since the overhaul on it. So they said it ran when it was parked. I don't know yet, but the reason that I went up as high as I did is because the person that I was bidding against was there on site. So the guy that was bidding it up there with me was looking at it. So I know that if that guy was bidding it up that high, that it's got to be a pretty decent looking machine. So anyways, I'm excited to get up there, take a look at it, and just let you guys know how it turns out. Well, guys, 6:18, pulling out the gate, headed for Garrison, North Dakota. See y'all there. Well, we made it last night to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We made it, that was probably 13 of our 20-hour trek up to Garrison, North Dakota. That's where the cat dozer's at. Anyways, long drive yesterday. Trying not to make this video too much of a vlog style video because I know you guys aren't interested in that kind of stuff, but I figured it'd be kind of fun to just tell the story behind this little dozer. So far yesterday didn't have really any issues at all. Just a pretty smooth drive up here, and weather's nice. Leaves are changing up here in the North Country, and it's pretty cold up here. So hope you guys are enjoying the video, and I'll see you guys when we get over there to the dozer. Well, we finally made it here. There she is. She's a beaut, eh? An old cat. RD4. It looks solid. It's old. Got the drawbar on the back. Shoot, yeah. Probably go one more length. Is he good on that side over there? Maybe just back up a little. Do what?
I'll go grab it from left so
I think maybe just let it roll back a little bit and then push on the back side of it and just kind of straighten it up a little bit, and then Well, got it loaded up. Ready to head to Texas. I'll do a better walk around with you guys when we get it back home. Kind of show you about it. It's freezing cold and misty out here today, so this old Texas boy can't handle it. I'm pretty happy with it. Well guys, today hopefully is the final day of our trip back home with the old cat Dozer. We made it to Sioux City, Iowa last night. Yesterday morning we stopped in North Dakota and did a little duck hunting. Insane amount of ducks. I'm going to put a video up of that. Some of the ducks flying around for those of you that might be interested in that. But for a Texas boy, just the number of ducks we saw was crazy. Had a lot of fun doing that. But so far the trip's been uneventful, which is good. No issues at all. Just a lot of diesel. But anyways, we should be back home tonight, and tomorrow when it's sunny out and everything, then I'll give you guys a better view of this Dozer, see what we got, and start. I myself have barely even, I've walked around it, but I don't even know if, you know, if everything's there, what the deal is. Haven't even touched it. I haven't even pulled the dipstick out to check if there's oil in it. So we'll do that together tomorrow. And just appreciate you guys watching this video. Hope you're enjoying it. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you more of this Dozer. Well guys, it was all going good until it wasn't. We had a couple of our lug nuts come off on the trailer, snapped the rest of them. Snapped them off. So we're going to try to limp down the road. Alright guys, we got the Cat D4 back from North Dakota. Minimal problems. We did have lose the one wheel. I guess that's a pretty big problem, but shout out to Jim's Trailer Repair, or Jim's Trailer Sales in Topeka, Kansas. They hooked us up. Not only did they have the parts that we needed to get back on the road, but they stood out there in the cold rain and punched out the old studs and pressed in the new ones for us on that hub. They called around town and tracked down the wheels and tires that we needed to get back on the road. So if you guys are around the Topeka, Kansas area needing a trailer, definitely go give those guys a call. I appreciate their help. So on the trip back, we lost the pin that goes in there at the back of the blade. If you guys know where I can find one of those, let me know. I got that rod stuck in there now just so I could get it off the trailer, but you can see it needs a paint job, but everything's there. It's the original paint on it. There's one little ding right there in the back of that panel and one little one there, but I can bend those out pretty straight. But other than that, I mean, those sprockets are very good condition. Chains, the pads still have a lot of life left in them. The engine's all there. It's got the side covers on it down there. Got the little pony motor on it, pull start. All the levers and everything look good. Seats seen better days. But anyways, I'm pretty excited. I haven't even messed with it. I did put the pull cord around it and just pulled on it one time, and it is free, so I'm happy about that. It's got the covers. This one kind of vibrated loose on the trip, but it's got the covers on it. Rollers and everything are there. Blades in good condition. RD4 cat. So anyways, I am gonna do a will it start video on it coming up in the next couple weeks, whenever I can get some time to get out here and try to crank on it. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you can see that video coming up. I also got some other videos down there. You can see the Galleon T500 motor grader. Got some working on some videos coming out on that. So, and several others. I got that Massey Ferguson tractor that we got started in the last video. We're gonna fix it up. Got a boat that we're repairing, and a couple more cool projects coming up. I just haven't had the time to get around to all of them. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video, kind of the story behind this cat D4. Stay tuned for more videos where we get it running and put her to work. Thank you guys for watching.